สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone see me again กุ้ง UK Channel เอาเมียฝรั่ง UK กุ้งเต้น Today I come to answer a lot of people asking me about my melasma. I want to answer a lot what I can, okay? Because I read every comment in my channel, but I cannot show you every product what I've been used because I've been used quite a while now. I haven't been used for a long time. I don't want to like spend money to buy and again and come and show you. I just want to tell you I've been used before and then I just stopped using. Why I've been stopped and then what? Okay. One person asking me how long I use Eucerin for reduce my melasma and dark spot. I've been used for 9 months, everyone. I've been used for 9 months, Eucerin. I think about I can put picture on in here for you which one what I've been using and then why my melasma gone and then why I say it's good. The Eucerin, this one is good, everyone, good for my melasma, make my melasma reduce and don't have darks a lot before and then I got picture from here after when I use I put on here for you. I said I come to answer the everyone asking me, but I don't want to buy the product and come and show you because I don't use it before. And then I have to buy with my money. No one send me product to review. I pay with my money and I use with my faith and I review good or bad. But this product is good. Eucerin. I used for 9 months. A long time ago. I used about 4 years, 5 years ago. And after why I don't use Eucerin anymore? Because after I use for 9 months, I got red spot. I got like spot come on my face and my mouth. That what I found out. And then I stopped use for 2-3 days. All the spot coming down, not go in on a lot. That's why I stopped because I allergic and after because my skin is like they thinner, they have a lot of chemical on there because I use a lot of things. Same I said I tell you all the product I use in here. And then if you haven't looking or watching my own video, you go watching my own video, everyone, because how I use. Don't asking me now how I use. You go look in my own video that what how I use, okay? And then some people asking me about why you stop use, why you use this, why you use that, Because I want to use different cream for my face. When you got melasma, they don't hurt you, everyone. They don't hurt you, don't make you like, oh my God, pinning you, you hurt it. It's not. But when you walk out, that's it. You just thinking about people looking your face all the time. Oh my God, this woman is have dark face or something like that. Some people like that. My opinion, I think myself, but I'm not sure when you got melasma, you think same me or not. I'm not sure, okay? But I am. I put how many? I put rare for the foundation. I still have melasma. This video could be get very long video, everyone. I could show you my own face before as well, what I've been using. And then after that, I just stopped use. And then I found something to use more. But not a lot of people asking me why I stopped use the Nivea. Not a lot. And then people ask me, do I use Cosmelan? It's good for my face. And they quite expensive, quite pay a lot of money. I think I paid in that time about 300 something pound, everyone. It's not cheap. And then that's what I've been used, and then it not okay. I can answer someone asking me already. Is it good for the money or not? Yes, it's good for you have money, you rich, you got money to pay that. But for me, I want to try that time I got melasma, and then I tell you, it's not easy to use. It's not good for my face, but might be good for your face, but not good for my face. It's not easy. It's not peel off, everyone. And you see a lot of people they in the YouTube they put on, and then they peel like skin. Your skin it come up like this, but it's not my skin. My skin is like only a little bit like like you go on skin come up like you clear like this. But some people just like peel up like come very big. You know what I mean, okay? And then I just like it's not perfect for money. For I buy that, it's not everyone. It's not perfect. If I that time I spend that money, I don't think I want to buy it. If you ask me, it's good or bad? It's good, but not good for money. It's not good for use long time. It's not easy to use as well. I think if you like me, you not got a lot of money. For me, I think I find another cream to use. Same. If you stay in England, if you stay in Europe, the cream what I want to say is Eucerin is good for your dark spot and melasma, and that what I confirm because it's good for my melasma. And cream, another one is good is Dermatica. They make in UK. If you want to buy, go in the website in here, dermatica.co.uk, and then you go in there. They don't sell anywhere like Boots, like Superjewel, like anywhere like you want to buy in the shop. It's not. You have to go in the website. They talk with the doctor. This is for doctors. Sky for you the cream. They sky for you, and then they can ask you about like, oh, what you want the cream for your face, for melasma, for dark spot, for spots, for wrinkle or anything like that. You just fill in the website for them, and then they can asking you to take the picture on the front, on the left, on the right, and send to them. They can sky the cream for you and send to your house. I think it's 19.99 pound for little like this. Yeah, I didn't show you because I have one in my room. Yeah, then that one is good as well. That one I confirm. I confirm too. Eucerin and Dermatica. Okay, Eucerin, Dermatica. That's really good for my face and really good for my melasma. Something else I've been used before. I don't think they good for my face. Not make my melasma getting better. But if you want to try, you try. Two cream in here. I confirm everyone. I come to talk about people say about my face and about it's not true. It's true. My face is now. I make up a little bit like I'm not make up, okay? It's true. That's what I've been show you every cream I've been use. And then if you haven't follow me in กุ้ง UK channel or เมียฝรั่ง UK กุ้งเต้น I talking about melasma, dark spot, everyone. Thank you very much to thumb up, to share, to subscribe, and ขอบคุณมากค่ะ Bye bye